Hello, everyone. Today we're going to talk about putting your bookcase together. Now, you've collected all of your items that you're going to put in the bookcase. So, where do you start? You can do different ways of decorating each shelf, or to make them cohesive, you actually use the same kind of product. For instance, I have used wood and the color blue, as you can see here, and I've stuck with that. On the first shelf, I have done an arrangement for those people who like to see things that are even. I have done both sides the same. On this one, I've given you a variety where I include the entire shelf in this. And then on this one, I have separated 1, 2, and 3 different areas on the shelf. On this particular one, I have split them up and even angled. So the important thing when you're doing this is that you have some interesting pieces that you can include in your arrangement.